In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list text in Canva, a fantastic tool to help bring your creative projects to life. Whether you're making a social media post, a flyer, or any other design, adding lists can be a great way to present information clearly and organized. Let's dive right in and break down the steps to get you listing like a pro. To start things off, head over to your Canva dashboard. From there, you're going to want to click on either Create or Recent Designs, depending on what you're looking to do. For today's walkthrough, we'll proceed with creating something new. This is where you can let your creativity run wild by choosing your preferred design format. Canva offers a multitude of options, catering to various platforms and purposes. So, select what best fits your needs. In the context of today's tutorial, let's go with a Facebook post as our base design. Selecting a Facebook post will give you the right dimensions and layout, perfect for social media sharing. Now, with your blank canvas open and ready, it's time to add some text. Over on the left-hand panel, you'll see the text option. This is your gateway to all the font styles and text customization Canva offers. Click on text and a variety of styles will be previewed for you. After selecting your desired text style, the next step is to transform that plain text into an organized list. Look for the list icon, which is typically found in the top edit bar when your text box is highlighted. Clicking on it will enable the list format for your text box. This is where you get to input your information neatly and clearly. Go ahead and type out the first item on your list. Once you've entered the first piece of information, simply hit Enter on your keyboard. Each time you hit Enter, a new bullet point or numbered item appears, allowing you to seamlessly continue adding more items to your list. It's that straightforward. An additional tip for you: don't forget you can customize the appearance of your list by adjusting the font, size, and color to match the overall theme of your design. Canva provides a range of customization options, which means your lists can be as visually appealing as the rest of your project. There you have it. We've gone through the simple and effective way to add text lists to your designs in Canva. Whether it's listing features, steps, or just making information more digestible, lists can enhance the clarity of your message immensely. Start experimenting with different styles and layouts to see what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Happy designing!